me. And if we can't be on the surface, we can be under the water. Far underwater love. And if it serves a deeper purpose, we can be under the water. It's underwater love. Am I touching you? I wanna feel every part of this. Come to me. Forever and a day, whatever feelings take hold of you. Set me free. The body that I give to you, all of you. It touches like the starlight.